Hello guys, welcome to How to Tech, and today I am going to show you how to use Midjourney to create AI images such as this and this. So stay tuned for the video and let's dive in. So the easiest way to access Midjourney is through a Discord server. If you do not have the Discord app, just go ahead to your browser and download the Discord app. It is easy to use, and I will leave the link to Midjourney in the description of the video. So all you have to do is click on the link and it will bring you to the Midjourney server right here. So you want to click on one of the servers, preferably the newbie servers. It is the free section where you use it to generate AI art. So I'm going to click here on newbies 29, and you can see that AI art is being created by the minute and it all looks mesmerizing. So if you want to generate your image, you go to the chat tab and you want to write /imagine. Just go ahead and type in /imagine, and you want to make sure you write your prompt in the prompt box. Make sure that shows, and you can now go ahead and type in any imagination that you have. For example, I am going to think about dog walking on the moon, earth. I can see the earth, and maybe I can add more details such as you can see the vast space. For best results, you want to make sure that you use maximum text. Explain how you want your image to be to the maximum of your ability. So you can see this is it right here, and you're going to click send prompt. You just click enter and you wait for a few seconds while your image is rendering. So it only takes a few seconds and our image should look like this. After the image was generated, it looks like this, and it is absolutely mesmerizing with the power of AI. And that is how you do it, guys. All you have to do is click on the link to the Discord server, go to the newbie servers and type in your prompt. Just type in your prompt and your image will be rendered. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this helpful, leave a like and I will see you in the next video.